Nigerian Army arrests armed APC political thugs working for Kogi Governor Yahaya Bello. Operatives of the Nigerian Army have since arrested none less than 25 APC political thugs in Kogi State. The suspects were sent by Governor Yahaya Bello of the ruling APC to disrupt voters in Kogi Central Senatorial District. About 30 APC thugs were arrested by the soldiers but were paraded. Thousands of police units were attacked by some APC thugs in Okene and Okei local governments. A lot of police units have not started voting at 3 p.m. No INEC officer present, no material, no electoral officers as their line was switched off. Some political thugs earlier attacked and injured some officers of Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. The officers were attacked in Udeba and so many local governments in the area of Kogi State.